Easily wash your vehicle in comfort with the Urban Transit Rolling Car Wash Stool. Its ergonomic design, smooth casters, and soft cushion provide plenty of comfort washing your car, cleaning your wheels, or detailing the lower portion of your vehicle. The Rolling Car Wash Stool assembles in minutes with a few hand tools. Just follow the instructions for quick and easy assembly. We were able to assemble this tool in about 10 minutes with a few screwdrivers, a wrench, and a rubber mallet. The Rolling Car Wash Stool is finished in gray, blue, and black colors. The stool features a powder-coated steel frame that supports up to 350 pounds. The stool rolls smoothly thanks to 5 360-degree swivel spinning casters. The bottom tray of the stool provides storage space for your detailing products and towels. It also has a recessed area to hold the removable 5-gallon wash bucket in place. The metal frame and seat cushion are embossed with the Urban Transit logo. To use, fill the removable bucket with your favorite car wash soap and some water, and you are ready to detail. The Rolling Car Wash Stool is a convenient size to keep everything within reach. It allows you to roll back and forth around your vehicle without constantly standing up or bending over. Inside the car wash bucket is a removable grit trap to keep dirt and grime away from your washing towels or mitts. The stool also has a convenient side mount cup holder to keep your detail spray or a cold drink within reach while you clean. The soft EVA cushion provides plenty of comfort while working. Plus, it easily removes, so you can use it as a kneeler when cleaning wheels or applying tire dressing. The metal grips on the stool can be used as handles while you roll, or also a convenient place to hang wet towels. Wash and detail your vehicle in comfort with the Urban Transit Rolling Car Wash Stool.